Good morning. Welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, already we have started learning about our natural and cultural heritage. Is it, dear student? In the previous class already we have learned about dance of India. Dance forms in India are broadly categorized into classical and folk style. Is it, dear student? With the help of images, I have explained you about many of the classical dance performance in India in different states. Bharatanatyam is popular in Tamil Nadu. Odissi classical dance performance is famous in Odisha. Kathakali in Kerala. Mohiniyattam also famous classical dance performance in Kerala. Kathaka dance performance famous in North India. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri, and it is famous in Manipur. Dear student, some of the famous classical dances of India also we have learned with the help of photocopies. I have shown you the Sonal Mansingh, Pandit Birju Maharaj, Mallika Sarabai, and Uday Shankar. Is it, dear student? These are all about the famous classical dances of India. We have learned about the folk dance and tribal dances. Yes, dear student, I hope you all are understanding about the folk dances of India and tribal dances because you have seen the many images of each dance. Is it like Garba and Dandiya is famous in Gujarat, Ghumar is famous in Rajasthan, Bhangra and Gidda are famous in Punjab, and Bihu folk dance is famous in Assam. With this we have learned about the tribal dances of India. They are Gaur Maria of Madhya Pradesh, Panthi of Chhattisgarh, Gotipua of Odisha, Thangta of Manipur, and Changlo of Nagaland. Yes, dear student, we have learned these all the tribal dances. With the help of images I have explained, I hope you all are better understanding about these tribal dances. Dear student, just you are looking the picture of musicians. Yes, today we are learning about the part music. Is it, dear student? Just like dance, music in India too is of classical and folk style. Yes, how we have learned about the classical dance performance and folk dance performance, like that music in India too is of classical and folk style. Here classical music is further divided into two groups like Carnatic and Hindustani music. Is it? Classical music is divided into two groups like Carnatic music and Hindustani music. Dear student, Hindustani music developed in northern part of India while Carnatic music is developed in southern part of India. Dear student, whatever the picture now you are looking, these are the famous vocal maestros of India. Is it, dear student? Now I will show you the individual images of some famous vocal maestros of India. Yes, dear student? Dear student, this is the image of Pandit Ravi Shankar. Dear student, this is the image of Pandit Jasraj. He is a famous vocal maestros of India, one of the famous vocal maestros. Is it, dear student? This is the image of Pandit Jasraj. Now, dear student, this is the image of Bhimsen Joshi. He is also one of the famous vocal maestros of India. This is the picture of Bhimsen Joshi. Yes, dear student. Dear student, now whatever the images you are looking here, these are the images of famous vocal maestros of India, M.S. Subbulakshmi. Yes, dear student, I think with the image you will clearly understand about the famous vocal maestros of India. They are Pandit Jasraj, Bhimsen Joshi, and M.S. Subbulakshmi. Yes, dear student. Now, other celebrated musicians known for playing classical musical instruments. I will show you the musical instruments, and also who is famous of Indian musician. That also I will show the image now. Dear student, this is the picture of Pandit Ravi Shankar. So just you see how he is famous for playing the sitar. He is a famous musician. Is it, dear student? Pandit Ravi Shankar. He is famous for sitar. Dear student, these are the images of sitar. This is an musical instrument. Understand, dear student? Just you note down. This is the musical instrument sitar, and this sitar, who is famous to play this sitar? Pandit Ravi Shankar. Yes, dear student, this is the image of Pandit Ravi Shankar, and he is a famous musician to play sitar. Okay, dear student. Now the picture of Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. Yes, now what the images you are looking, these are the images of Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, and he is famous for playing flute. Just how he has hold the flute in his hand, just you can see. Yes, dear student, these are the images of flute. Is it flute? So here Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is a famous musician for playing flute. Understand, dear student? So this is the instrument flute. Now we are talking about the famous musician, and he is famous for playing Shehnai. Is it? His name is Ustad Bismillah Khan. He is a celebrated musician, and he is well known for his playing classical musical instrument, that is Shehnai. This image is of Ustad Bismillah Khan. Dear student, now what the instrument you are looking? This is the instrument, playing instrument, musical instrument, that is Shehnai. And this Shehnai is who is famous for playing this? Ustad Bismillah Khan. He is a famous musician of playing the classical musical instrument, that is Shehnai. Dear student, after this, now what the image you are looking? This is the image of a famous musician, classical musical instrument, playing classical musical instrument, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma. This is the image of Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, and he is well known for playing santoor. Just, dear student, just to see the images of santoor. This is the musical instrument. This is called santoor, and here Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is a famous santoor player. Is it means he is well known for the playing of musical instrument santoor. Understand, student? After this, dear student, these are the images of Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. These are the images of Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, and he is well known for playing sarod. Yes, dear student, now what the images you are looking? This is the musical instrument called sarod. Understand? This is the musical instrument. We call it as sarod, and who is famous for playing sarod? Here Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Okay, dear student. After this, dear student, these are the images of Ustad Zakir Hussain. Yes, dear student, by seeing picture only, I think you can understand. He is famous for playing tabla. Tabla is also a classical musical instrument. Yes, these are the images of tabla. Okay, dear student. So, who is the famous celebrated musician here? Ustad Zakir Hussain. These are the images of Ustad Zakir Hussain, and he is a famous musician by playing classical musical instrument of tabla. Okay, dear student. Now, what are the images you have seen? These are some of the images of famous vocal maestros of India. They are Pandit Jasraj, Bhimsen Joshi, and M.S. Subbulakshmi. Okay, dear student. And now, dear whatever the images I have shown you just now, they are the celebrated musicians, and they are well known for playing classical instruments. like sitar is playing by Pandit Ravi Shankar. He is very famous for playing sitar. And Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, he is a famous player of flute. And here Ustad Bismillah Khan is famous for playing Shehnai. Next one, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is a famous player of santoor. And Ustad Amjad Ali Khan is famous for playing sarod. And dear students, Ustad Zakir Hussain, he is a famous musician for playing tabla. Okay, dear student, in this class today we have learned about the music of India. So this is also our cultural heritage. Okay, dear student, I hope you all are understanding about the paintings or dance performances, musics and architecture. Yes, in the video classes, how I have taken this class for your better understanding, I have shown the images of each and every architecture here. After that, about the painting, in the painting also we have seen the many types of paintings like cave paintings, wall paintings, Mughal paintings. These are all we have seen the examples. So by this we can better understanding about the paintings, means what different styles of paintings are there in the India in the past in India. Is it? Means different styles of paintings are developed at the different times in the past in India. So that all we have seen. And also we have seen the many dance performances in the different states of India. Is it? We have seen different classical dance performance in different states. So we have seen with the help of image, means we can understand better. Okay, dear student, with this famous classical dancers of India also we have learned, that is Sonal Mansingh, Pandit Birju Maharaj, Mallika Sarabhai and Uday Shankar. Is it, dear student? We have learned about folk dances of India, means in different states different type of folk dances we have seen, and they are performed during the festivals or harvest or marriages by people from the community. Is it? So here folk dances are Garba and Dandiya, Ghumar, Bhangra and Gidda and Bihu. These are the folk dances. And after this, dear student, we have learned about the tribal dances. Gaur Mariya of Madhya Pradesh, Pantiya of Chhattisgarh, Goti Pua dance of Odisha, Thangta of Manipur and Changlo dance of Nagaland. Is it, dear student? With this, in the today's class we have learned about the musicians and about the music. This is also cultural heritage of India. So we have seen the images of famous the vocal maestros, and also we have learned about many musical instruments and who are famous for playing the classical musical instrument. That all things we have learned in this class. Dear student, I hope you all are understanding about the music part. So dear student, till here today only I will stop. In the next class I will take the next part, that is literature and languages. Okay, dear student, till then take care. Bye bye.